yeah.
Jah blessed Most High, King Selassie.
Yeah, Parry.
Blessed greetings to each and every one, you know. We in the camp this morning, on a man like a Saturday morning. Look about with grandparents, them and auntie, mother and father. So we are going to run a pot. And we are going to drink 2 rum and drink a box of beer and enjoy ourselves.
All right. All right, Parry. So, the back on spot again. The kids not with me. Uncle Murphy, they both here with you, but Uncle Murphy no want to go on the camera. So, that there, so. And we're back again. Today, we are going to do something different. So, we come kind of early. So, you find so we have them here make a smoke for run with the mosquito them. So, we are very much here. Daddy, I say morning.
Morning.
Yes, yeah. That day. But him, yeah. Uncle Murphy did this and all of that, bow shoe this and everything. So, with the political movements today, yeah. Yeah.
Today again.
We have to find Uncle Murphy because when you come to look for me, and Uncle Murphy, I got transport to you, know.
All right.
So, see him there, you know?
The driver.
Yeah, he's the driver. So, anyone there, and when you come on the walk, come up here so with me, Uncle Murphy, I got carry. You know, wearing yourself, he may take care of you. Right. So, we are start out. So this is how it going to be today. Kimmy is not here. Kimmy, girl not here. Jerry not here. So as the time progressive, we're not going to see what we are doing. Because we know some of them on the family plot thing. Yeah? And I want to make sure some big up everybody. Big up Margaret, Angela Hamilton, Georgia, all of my little party them. Big up Laverne. Blessed love. So me catch up back with you. See?
Where you whitewash there? Where you whitewash?
The whitewash over there, so.
Yeah, whitewash come there.
So.
Yeah, whitewash. You know one bag over there, so. Look in our bag yourself, Murphy. No, see just the black bag, a black bag there. Where paint tonight? Where the paint is? Good.
So. I read the right there, so we have to scrape off the green them before we can put on the whitewash and paint. See one of the man them a land. Mount this a chop place. Yellow people them now.
Bless up.
Yeah, are we going to do a cook? You cook? Daddy say you cook? Hurry up, man. Because I see you in the weather look like it again so to the party. But guess what? We are trying our best. So, curry over here. So, now curry I mix some whitewash. Curry we are done. Whitewash you mix? In a bucket, yeah. We are going to put on some whitewash. And then, but the rain there again. So, you see how the element look? Rain. I St.Mary, this is a place and a ramp with the rain. We never so lucky like we're there. But we are trying our best. We have all food over there, so I go cook. And all of that. And the rain there probably, but we have to ask the father for hold up in hand. See if we can bust it and get it going. Then rain the fall yesterday. Rain the fall yesterday. Rain the fall yesterday, Corey. Then time of day, is there rain fall? Oh. So this is where we are at.
This morning the rain started to.
Oh.
But once you just stick the give me mix, you know.
What power we have here for the but we don't even know it's all finished yet today. That did is a scrape. So we are going to try our best. Parry. So we have to go along. We are going to check back in. Uncle Murphy, I use up your machine there, sir. Boy, ants in my sneaker, lad. Woo! Ants. Jesus have mercy. But should the ants not go on my sneaker in there? Jesus.
Hey, David. You see that somebody.
Where paint roasted?
See whitewash the curry and mix whitewash in a bucket. Yeah, so.
When
When I'm all ready, I'm going to paint on there.
All right, no parry. Rain a bad away, you know. Round a bush mouth, yeah.
We still are going with the things still, you know.
Yeah, parry. Rain a bad away. You know, see how you wear that stay. Rain a bad away round a bush mouth, yeah. But we are take with time. Rasta man, they say, I cut up a chicken. We are take with time. Man, them over. I put it on your bubble. See, man, them over there, so. Yeah, it look like we are going with something, but we are watching rain. We see, you know, we are wait on it. I mean, I want the woman there today, you know. Why, camera? No, man, I work, man, that man.
20 black. 20 black.
Mm-hmm.
We have one bag of cement.
Okay. Just write down everything and give me. So everybody over here so party, we are well and mates, cause with that bush with there. So we still a cook up local food. We are try see how fast we can go through cause all the work we have to do, you know. So if you can just give we a little break. We see the blue sky them way out there, so you see them? And now look so dark again, the cloud. Cloud now look so dark again, so man talk in the background, so.
Bobo, measure this and measure that. Measure this and measure that. And you know what type of tile you're dealing. When you tile this man, when you work this man, measure this and measure that. And know the size tile what you want.
That's good, man.
Then measure this down, this how much?
Then this is a lot of measure, you know what you
Then that me tell you if you deal with it after that.
A 4 tile. Alright, but work off by 12 then.
Work off by 12.
Work off by 12.
Work off by
I see
12.
him thing.
Yes, then I see him thing.
I see him thing.
Then I see him thing. Simple something.
I see him thing.
Simple something.
You don't left you. He said we go to see.
No problem.
But remember now, you know, you're not going to go straight aside, crash here with the tile. Remember, you're going to have a little below.
Yes.
Like that.
Yeah, it don't live up.
Yes,
It
we
don't
all
live
live
up.
that. We all live your bullet like material.
Yeah, man, I feel like this one.
Yeah, we all live your.
If you man have a friend, man, for your body to the other inside black.
Oh, hell. 1 year now.
The whole that we used to sit down and drink, you know, man. I'm back in the 70s, you know.
No man, you run like a wicked.
Balling.
I'm weeping and wailing.
No, sir.
You see them people eh?
We sit down on a table long like boat, he gave us some.
Round up a liquor.
Yeah,
And
man.
when we sit down
No, when we go to a bar and I drink, we don't buy no one beer. Crate.
Jesus Christ.
when we are drink, man, when the bartender a crepe up, he back them up on this, man. We shame.
Yeah, man.
Because we don't get until the last beer finish, you know. Before man,
Start again.
1 dozen more beer, 2 dozen more beer.
One crate of beer.
If I Guinness that,
Same thing. Heineken, same thing.
I can drink, you know, man. Because when people that don't work at 12 o'clock time, I used to work in a, used to work in our baby shop. You know.
We are see your curry.
If only the Almighty One could have drink so much liquor.
Hey, Parry. Alan, we are doing now. So orange come. And yeah, wash the chicken and tell the people what you doing, sir.
I wash up the chicken, you know. Some sour.
But at the same time, sit a show for your belly there.
Hey, sour.
Yeah, some sour orange. They may clean up all of the run. It's a fried chicken, Parry. Yeah.
You could have drink like my daddy.
Yeah.
Them could have drink like my daddy.
Him can't me all of them with that tie.
You can't drink like my daddy, man.
He said when I drink rum, man, you can't carry rum. You can't carry rum.
No,
You
no,
can't
no,
carry
boy. You can't drink like my daddy.
when I drink rum.
Yo. Yeah, give mama a little bit there. Alan, take up the sit there for mama. Mama time now. Mama time now, Parry.
Mama, I don't say we are do your last. I know last we are do.
No, yeah, queen.
I'm first shall be the last. But I give you
Yeah.
I'm going to do the little start broom.
Where broom there? Alan, take up them sitting here when you're done. Put them out there, so.
Keg, the blue keg them. Full of rum cream. You say, but you man drink rum cream, don't apply, don't have much set up. And then, what you say, no, sir? You said, no, sir?
We don't wrap in the camera.
You say, we have a thick one, we say, for rum cream, brother. What? Man.
Yeah, man, the curry, don't I curry the back of you, Alan? What go on, man?
What's wrong with you? You're blind? You come like your head.
Curry, you know, sir, you should have cook.
You can't cook, man. You say I cook. I'm not fight against him.
So,
Yeah, take too long, man. It's so slow.
Breeder we are cooking, we can do it, man.
Tell them Curry, say, whole breeder we are cooker. Tell them Uncle Curry.
Whole, I'm not fight against him and cook it, you know.
And they cook, you cook.
Rub him up there, make we see how he look there.
Me no burn curry, man.
Yeah, true, you name curry.
Me no burn
You no
curry.
burn curry.
No, me no burn. Me cook curry.
Yeah, you cook curry.
Cook curry.
Are you a curry?
Yes,
So is a curry, are you a curry?
enough water.
No.
So,
Curry first.
look now.
Give me one.
Listen me, man. You see what I meet ya? You see what I meet ya? Me cut up every seasoning pan this, you know. And when me done cooking you know. Just when me done cooking you know. You know one every burn. You know one every burn. I mean garlic, onion, everything. Water. When everything comes in the Terence,
You can't cook, so you know.
you're ready for eat curry mutton, man. Curry
But
chicken,
the
man.
right way.
Hi, the sun come out pan with Uncle Murphy. Hi, with that yard, yeah, man, we feel good. Everything curry, everything crisp. Jesus have mercy. Hi, and the curry not ready yet. Hey, curry.
Voila. This is curry mutton.
Blow.
Them man never look about curry now. You know eat the green pepper? Eat green pepper?
You can't eat it too spicy. Now make it too spicy. Who want extra spice? You can eat extra pepper.
Cut up with green pepper in it. Terence don't eat hot pepper. Cut up with green pepper in green pepper. I don't care too much to eat. You see what I mean? Right.
Oi! Mama here. Hey, Murphy. Mama knows how curry I best. Mama knows how to curry still.
Style already, man. Alan know my style already, man. Alan say, oh, if me hungry to blows and go, when I ask nobody nothing to eat, no look like a and curry and no.
Yeah, no, me and you grow, man.
I'm tell you that blows and
No
curry.
matter how cut I'm gonna me and you grow, you know. Well, nobody else no grow. Me and you grow. Me and you grow. Me and you.
And mama that you know.
Me and you fight and them the same thing there.
Yeah, Parry. Mama them a set up. Baba, you look like you're under your waters.
Just one.
From her mama, yeah. Mama feel good. Yes, man. The sun bright, Uncle Murphy, not a morning star. Why, sir?
Come out in its glory.
The sun walk out pan way, come straight up pan way.
I'm
Well, you see when me attack, you see come to the part.
Yes.
Right. Me tell you say time I got nice, man.
Yeah, man. So the whitewash them, it can go and dry, and then we have a paint for put on and all of that. Yup. Bush with the Parry, bush with the. And me are the only woman here today. But that's how it go.
And your crown queen.
Yeah, me a queen long time. Come right back at 12 boy pitney. A long time me a queen, Uncle Murphy. Yay.
My daddy. So, never work with him.
Yes, I fire that.
Yeah, bless.
Yeah.
Yeah, the pot finally gone on the final.
And that me a say, 'cause a long time me a wait for that, you know, Alan. Rasta man, a long time me a wait for that. They say you got burn some fire now.
Yeah, so some fire go run.
Blaze fire.
The fireman soon come line up the
Yeah.
fire.
You could have put on the rice one side there so too.
Yeah, man, that go and
What you
clean
say?
them. When the water come and then cut the water and do.
Alright. So, me go fast in the people and pat in a Parry. Alan pat that. No comment. Alan pat, comment.
No, Mary. Mary say my year one cooker, you know. And come up pen to blows and go and get blows and to a big lunch and, you know. And burn rice, you know. And if a dog could eat the rice the next morning, you know. Yo, me say in morning when me go a pen the next morning when me go a pen and see a dog from Newport pass through, buck up a plate of rice.
I know you eat it.
I want the dog march and back up and bounce over a plate of rice and say yak in it, the dog will suck.
Pick you back.
He said, no, them I will lick up my teeth. You can't work with that. Take by yourself. The dog have to take by yourself. The dog have to Yes, sir. I weed that with the water, brother. Put the panta pipe. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. A judgment in Alan. Alan, you want to hear about judgment apartheid?
Judgment part.
Can I tell you something? My man a work job up to see your friend. He a work job up.
The white page no Punjabi good.
He sit down Punjabi like a token up there.
I was on a Jabi.
Don't tell him that.
So you don't know. You don't even know if him,
Tell
Papa.
Jabi that he man a paint,
I
man.
daddy that.
Daddy what?
So your father fi have weed pan it. He must any weed man.
Oh, then daddy not bunny.
If you bunny weed, but man a real weed
Tony
man.
name or funny name.
Me say I daddy that. Alright, I'm a brother build that, you know.
How first berry?
No
Jabi.
No Jabi with the little sitting come up like that. I'm a brother build that with my blood and skirt, head pan with
Listen, man. Your daddy, you bury daddy, you know your daddy?
A two curry.
Mr. Jabi that and Tony that. Come tell me fool.
They know they make you say that they don't know who are who.
Mr. Debbie, I'm a brother build that.
You should know your brother who, right?
No, one of them we call him Orius. I him build that. Me come here and see Jabi with that little sitting there where they make like a V there, so.
Eh, a Jabi that.
And a tree little leave the pan. Me say that I'm a brother build that with the head.
Eh, that one there. Come, I never seen on bill so low. Are you work on Jabi, but